Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video
Please subscribe to our channel.
and share with everyone. Hello everybody, how's everyone doing? Hope you guys had a wonderful Diwali, Halloween, New Year, whatever you're celebrating. So I just received this here from UPS today. It's from one of our loyal subscriber who wants to remain anonymous. They message us on Facebook and they asked us that they insist on sending us this gift. They saw that we were making, Rita was making cocktail actually, and they thought that this could come in good use. So what is this? It's a Bartesian Premium Cocktail On-Demand Mixer. So this comes with some capsules here to make the drinks. One of the drink is Long Island iced tea. The other one is old fashioned. The other one Uptown Rocks, whiskey sour, margarita, and cosmopolitan. I think I'm saying it right. Tongue is a little bit tingly now. Thank you to my loyal subscriber who wants to remain anonymous. So thank you, Anonymous, for this. And let's give this a shot. Seems like it's gonna work good based on these pictures here that we have in the box. Seems like we have some awesome drink here. So let's open it up and see. All right. So let's see. It looks like. Oh, with instruction too. All right. Look like it's well packaged. I think these are some cup to hold a cocktail if you don't want to drink it right away. It's a lot of cup. Alright, so this is what the machine look like. I'm still getting the electrical cord going. Look like it's doesn't use a lot of power based on this wire. Not sure what the wattage is used. I gotta get an extension cord for this. So yes, guys, I open it up. I wash out all the removable parts. I didn't show that on camera. I fill some water in the reservoir here. This is where you're gonna put the like if you want whiskey, tequila. This one is gin or rum. What is the other one? I can't see on the other side. Vodka. So I put a little bit of water in it. It has an option for first time use or rinse or flush. So I did that just to rinse it out. Now I'm gonna take this water out, insert my capsule, and based on the capsule, whatever spirit it asks me to use, I'm gonna insert in one of these bottles. And then we'll have our first cocktail. So stay with me until we make that. So yes, guys, after I clean up everything, you can see some water is still here. I'm gonna only make one drink tonight. Rita is very excited to see how this works. I'm not gonna make, I have different options here. Long Island iced tea, cosmopolitan, Uptown Rocks, whiskey sour, margarita, old fashioned. So I'm gonna go with a cosmopolitan here. I'm gonna have to insert that capsule there in a minute, and then this one they recommend to mix it with vodka. So like I was showing earlier, you have these bins here for different spirit. This one is for whiskey, tequila, gin or rum, and this one is for vodka. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some vodka in here. All right, my first time, okay.
How do you know how much amount to throw in?
You can put how much you want. Any extra, you can always put it back in the bottle. So I'm assuming that's a strong drink. Yeah, let's give it some more.
Oh, wow.
I don't think we need all of that. I think it's just a little bit, 2.5 ounce or so. It depends. I think we have option there on how strong you want it or how weak you want it. So since I'm a strong drinker, I'm gonna make mine strong and see if it do any kick. So I'm gonna insert this in the
The vodka slot.
vodka slot.
says vodka there. I don't know if you guys can
Alright.
see that.
Water is in this reservoir in the back here already. This one. I'll
Let's
show
see if
you.
we can work around it.
Yep. Alright, so you're gonna have to climb up to see on top here. Now let's put our glass. Put your glass there. Alright, now we gotta lift this up and insert my capsules. So I put my capsule there. Close it. Alright, so you want to bring the camera up here? Let's see. You go next button. So
Mocktail
you
light.
have mocktail, light, regular,
Or
strong. So let's go strong, like I said. Let's go strong. And then we
And
go mix. Let's see what happens.
Wow, amazing! Wow,
So what is it called again? Cosmo?
cosmopolitan.
Cosmopolitan?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. This
Okay,
is
I
so-
guess it knows when to stop to. Oh, we didn't get any ice around here. Anyway, I'll try it straight like that. But I think it'll probably drink better with some ice.
Did it recommend ice?
I didn't see if it says, where does it say? Ice. Let me check the other side. Made with vodka. No, you didn't see. It says refrigerate. You're supposed to put this refrigerator for best use and cold water.
Oh,
Okay. I guess no ice. Let's see.
try it.
Okay. Cheers, guys. Let's see if this thing is worth it, or Rita better make your cocktail by herself.
Oh my god, you can see that.
It is strong when it says strong. I should have gone regular.
Really?
Yeah, but it's good. It's good. I think I'm gonna put some ice in this. It'll probably go better, but it's good. It's a nice drink, and at first it's a little bit work. It might look like a lot of work because it's first time using it. You know, I had to clean it up and everything, and purge the system. Now it has an option. If you come back here, once I remove this, you go to. I think I gotta clean it first. So we gotta remove this to remove that capsule. So you remove the capsule. If you want to clean it, I think you come back here. Let's see. You go to this settings, and first use. If you want to switch drink, you can flush it a little bit. Cleaner ends. What is this? If you want to transport
Transport.
it, and that's going back
Main
to the
menu.
main menu, right? So I'm not gonna flush it yet because I still have more vodka in there. Maybe I'll make another drink that recommend vodka. So these capsules, I gotta see where to buy them. I also received this as a gift, so I gotta find out where to buy them and get more. I think we only got, how much you got here? 6. So only 6 drink I can make right now. Now I gotta buy more capsule. I'm not sure what is the price or anything. I didn't do any research on it yet. So I'll research that and let you guys know where to get the capsule. Maybe I'll even find out where the machine is selling. But anyway, cheers. Look like this is a good thing. If you're having a party and you don't want to mix, you just go with this. Simple. And I'm not sure, like I said, when I researched this, maybe they have different type of drinks that you can order with these capsules. Right? Cheers.
Cheers. And it's so fancy. Like if you're
Yep.
having a party and you're having guests over.
If anybody keep a party and they get this, I'll be hanging out next to this all the time.
Of course. So thank you guys.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and in the next video we'll make more cocktail. Now we know how to use it. We'll make some more and give you guys more update.
And thank you for the machine.
Oh yeah, and thanks Anonymous for this wonderful machine. We'll be enjoying this long time to come, right? Cheers.